you trade with a low win rate system? Hi, it's Charlie giving you Wednesday's video, and I hope you're very well. I'm sat here in the trading room here this afternoon and chatting away. We're just talking about some strategy stuff. And one of our traders has been automating a strategy. And so I thought I'd just go through this because the stats are actually quite interesting on this, because as we so often see with traders always want higher win rate strategies, and this is really just to prove that you don't necessarily have to have that. So the win rate of this strategy is running at 39%, and he runs it at a static 1 to 2 risk to reward. Now, if you do the maths on that, you only write 4 times out of 10. So for every 10 trades, I'm just going to simplify this. And if you were risking 1 on every one of those 10 trades, these are going to be the maths. So you're going to have 6 losers, so minus 6. But on your winners, where you make 2 times what you lose, you can have 4 winners, which gives you plus 8. Now you might think, oh, that's not a lot, Charlie. But when you think about it, in R terms, that's giving you a net 2R on every 10 trades. So by the time you get to 100 trades, then that should be giving you, if I'm right on this, 100 trades should be giving you around about a 20R return. All right, I've rounded up a little bit there onto 39%. So I think it's something that you then need to say, can you deal with that? Can you cope with a low win rate system or strategy? Because low win rate strategies are perfectly fine to use. People get so gripped in wanting to be right all of the time that they'll do all these things to try and be right. But over and over again, we prove that you don't have to be right all of the time in order to make money. So this is a system which he is now running live. He's just got it running live. He's automated it, and so gives you an idea of that. You don't have to have a 70% win rate or whatever in order to be making money. Okay, so what else is there to say here? So yeah, so mostly it always comes back down to mindset and psychology as to whether you can deal with a lower win rate. Lots of people can't, but that's only because they almost refuse not to. If they work on their mindset, then they'll be better at it. And I find that the people that are so obsessed with the really high, trying to be right all of the time, end up just making mistakes anyway, because that is their obsession. So looking at the backtesting here of one of our members, obviously backtesting can help give confidence to say, well, I've got a low win rate strategy, but it works, and so he's got that. He's done that. That's an intraday strategy running on a 15-minute chart, and he's backtested it over a 3-year period. So he's got more than enough data there. It's not to say that obviously in the next 3 years it's going to be, of course, exactly the same, but certainly it's enough data to say, okay, he's got something here and he's running it now live. So, but the main point is, can you trade, I'm talking about the listener, with a 40% win rate? Can you deal with it? If you can't deal with it, how can you make yourself deal with it? Because actually you might be missing out on some perfectly nice strategies that you might be developing or looking at that you just discard because they lose more often than they win. But quite often, as long as the win rates, the risk to reward is there on a low win rate strategy, then they're perfectly fine to trade. So just a little bit of food for thought there for Wednesday's video. Nice short, sweet one this week. If you've got any comments on this very topic, by all means pop them in the comments box below. Give us a thumbs up as always if you appreciate the videos, and subscribe to the channel because then you get notifications when the next ones come through. Take care for now. See you on Friday for live trading.